Hi there, welcome back. As I've mentioned in the previous lectures, Oracle provides a virtual machine image for training purposes. It is usually pre-configured with the latest stable database version in the SQL Developer tool. So in this lecture, you will learn how to download this image file. Now, let's get started. So first, let's open up a browser and type in download Oracle pre-built virtual machine on the search bar and hit enter. You can perform the search with other search texts also, but this is the link that we are looking for: pre-built developer VMs for Oracle VM VirtualBox. As can be understood from the name, it is mainly created for the VirtualBox tool since they are both Oracle's products, but no worries, it works even better with VMware also. So let's get into it. As I mentioned earlier, companies may often change their websites. So if you see a different layout here, do not worry. You can still find where to download it or go to the download link in the resources area of this course to access it directly. So let's scroll down a bit to see the download link. There are several download links here. They're all virtual machine images for different purposes. But what we look for is this one, Database App Development VM. Here, it lists what this virtual machine image contains. And on the right hand side, there is a link including downloads and instructions. So let's click on it. Here is a summary of the virtual machine image, including the content list of what you will find in this virtual machine, the requirements, setup instructions, downloadable files, etc. What matters for you here is the requirements section. To be able to use this virtual machine, your computer needs to have at least 2 GB of RAM, at least 15 GB of free disk space. But in my experience, if we consider the size of the virtual machine image file, 15 GB will not be enough actually, because you will need some space to store the downloaded file, which is around 7 GB, and almost 20 GB of extra space when you import it. So we recommend that you have at least 30 GB of free disk space. Also, a 2 GHz processor and so on. If I scroll down a bit more, you will see the download link here. All I need to do is click on it and accept the license agreement and click on the download button. As soon as you click on the download button, the Oracle sign-in page will open. If you have an Oracle account, all you need to do is to sign into this page. As soon as you sign in, the download will start automatically. But if you don't have an Oracle account, do not worry, creating an account is free. You can easily create an Oracle account by clicking on the Create Account button here. As of now, the size of the file is around 7 GB. As soon as you complete the download, please continue with the next video to see how you can import this virtual machine image and use it. So this is the end of this lecture. See you in the next lesson.